Most people have heard of government bureaucrats, but this is a story about bureaucrats. Meet Palmerston, the cat, the new chief mouser at the UK's Foreign Office. Described as having an eagle eye out for unwanted visitors, Palmerston now has the important role of stalking the corridors of Whitehall in search of prey. Palmerston is Her Majesty's Diplomatic Service's newest arrival, and in the role of FCO Chief Mouser will assist our pest controllers in keeping down the number of mice in our King Charles Street building. The 2-year-old black and white street cat, recruited from Battersea Dogs Cats Home, takes his name after the former Prime Minister and Foreign Secretary, Lord Palmerston, who governed for 46 years. From street life to the high life, Palmerston will now enjoy the benefits of his diplomatic status and maybe even meet a few famous people. But this won't come out of the public's pocket, said the Foreign Office. Palmerston's domestic posting will have zero cost to the public purse, as the staff kitty will be used to pay for him and all aspects of his welfare. Apart from chasing nasty vermin, Palmerston will have time to mingle with fellow furry counterparts at Downing Street. This includes Larry the tabby, who lives with Prime Minister David Cameron at number 10. Rodents were and are still one of the topics that end up on the agenda of British politics. A cat named Treasury Bill was the first furry feline to take up the job to keep rodents out back in 1924. Since then, there has been a series of mighty hunters tackling the rodent problem. Over the years, most of them have managed to become the rising stars of the hunting game that were featured in tabloids. Now, coming back to the cat next door, since given the official title of Chief Mouser 5 years ago, Larry has gained an awful lot of publicity. This worked in his favour at times, but also exposed his lazy ways in mouse hunting. Realising his career was at stake, the catnapping puss finally pounced on his first prey after a year of inactivity. Loved by the public and often smothered in treats, Larry has also become a hit on social media, with more than 47,000 followers on Twitter. Now with Palmerston, Larry has someone with which to share his social media prowess. But that also raises a question: do cats meow or do they tweet?